Some people want to know how I put a headlight on a YZ. I've got the forks out doing a shim change in the forks, so now's a good chance to talk about it. We'll get this tank and seat off and I'll show you what it's all about. Little tech tip, so whenever I take the fuel tank off any bike, I just throw a clean bolt in the fuel tube. Just stops any dirt getting back down through into the carb through the tube while I'm working on it. So I've got a small coil rewinds lighting kit, universal lighting kit in here in the airbox. So I'll put up a photo of what that looks like on its own as a kit. Yeah, I've cut and changed the wiring just to make it a bit neater because, like I said, it's a universal kit. Now, on the YZ, it plugs into, I believe, the green wire. I'd have to check the wiring, but when you buy one of these kits, it will give you a wiring diagram of what wire to splice into to suit your bike. So then I've just obviously ran that up, and that runs back to the small coil rewinds kit, and then pretty much just run it straight through here. I've just got two connectors that go up, and then I'm on a switch, and then yeah, more or less it's plugged into the headlight. This is the light globe that comes with the kit. It's a little 3 LED thing. It's not very bright at all. I would recommend just taking it straight off and putting something else on there because it will barely get you home. You can barely see using this thing. So I'm using the Halo headlight. Now I will say the original globe inside here would not light up. It did not have enough power to power it up. So I swapped to an LED H4 and haven't had a problem since. I'll insert a video of it running. It's more than enough to ride around in the dark. And for me, it was mainly about riding out of the bush and getting home or commuting to a mate's place, etc, etc. So yeah, that's how I put a headlight on a YZ. So if there's anything else you'd like to know, just ask, I guess. Yeah.